Guys, at Brayford level crossing, Linc with Hello Sade on Joe. Lincoln's just going.
Hi guys, so yeah, Brayford level crossing and Linc with Joe, Callow 5 and Andrew.
Yeah, that sounds different. So, if I do a quick road analysis. So,
10 hours later.
There we go. Now, time is 14:35 on Thursday the 30th of July 2015. This is for
14:36 to 68.
yeah, 14:36 to number 68 minutes train service to Leicester.
And if you were blind, Joe,
Hey?
if you were just blind there.
Why not? This be the old
Bit
Joe
too close there,
thought.
Andrew.
That's the old Joe and his old iPad.
Yeah.
Oh god, it must have been broken deeply. Right, Grimsby's got the green.
That's it.
Yeah, on two. We just got a colour of some sort. We've got a yellow.
To Newark Northgate. Calling it Newark Northgate.
Only.
What?
No, it's Collingham, Newark.
Yeah. Apparently Cottingham's major. Not in my mind, it ain't.
There she comes.
Oh yeah. One 56415.
Well, of course it is.
Oh,
6:15
to
Leicester. Alright, 6:15 Leicester.
Oh, there you go.
Anyway, I'll catch you later.
And starting next video.